Này đó.
Only me alone?
Đây nè. Yeah, only you. But if you want me to join, you can.
I think we should talk together, no? Two of us. It's much better.
Okay, you talk and then I sit here.
No? Okay.
Good afternoon to everyone.
Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to my Dhamma talk.
Okay.
Today, as you can see at my background,
Yeah.
you know where is it? It is in Luang Prabang. Right. We are here to join Vipassana meditation project between Laos and Myanmar Sangha here in Luang Prabang. Today we just finished lunch. So at a short time of a lunch break, we will talk about meditation, samadhi. And as we studied and also practice about meditation as well. So first of all, we have to understand the meaning of meditation first. So meditation, or in Pali, is called samadhi. It means concentrated mind or calm mind as well. So as soon as you have concentrated mind, at that time it's called samadhi. Okay. But to have concentrated mind, you have to practice. In Buddhism, there are two types of samadhi, that is samatha and vipassana. So when it comes to samadhi, mostly people will think of samatha, samadhi. So I will explain about samatha first. Samatha is mean you practice to calm your mind, so not to let your mind restless or wandering to other objects. Okay? Like sitting meditation, walking meditation, lying down meditation, and walking meditations as well. Okay. So how you should you practice? So I think the easiest way to practice samatha meditation is that for sitting meditation, because normally people will practice sitting meditation. You just sit in a quiet place, in a peaceful place, without lousy noise and without many people walking around. And then you cross your leg, okay, and straighten your body and mindful every every breath you have. Breathing in, you mindful. I am breathing in, breathing out. You are mindful. I'm breathing out. Something like this until you feel tired, and then you can stop. Okay. At that time you are meditating. There's 5 things that will arise in your mind that is called nivarana. What are nivaranas? Nivaranas are the obstacle that not to let your mind to become peaceful or concentrated. Number 1, kamasanta, sensual desire or sensual pleasure. Number 2, payabada, ill will or anger. Number 3, tinamita, laziness and drowsiness. Number 4, utthaja kukucca, lateness and worrisome. Number 5, vichikitsa, doubt. These 5 things that will obstacle your mind not to be concentrated. So while you are meditating, you should be mindful or consider these 5 things all the time. That, oh, it is happening in my mind, so I don't. So they cannot bother my mind, something like this. Okay, this is for how to practice samatha meditation or tranquility or serenity meditation. Okay. And another type of meditation is vipassana meditation. It is a little bit different from serenity meditation. For vipassana, as is Pali said, vipassana is literally mean you seeing things clearly as they really are. That's the true meaning of vipassana. So it means that you have to consider the truths of the nature. I mean, you have to understand the reality of the Dharma. What are they? So normally we have to consider about the 3 characteristics: Tukkhaṃ, Aniccaṃ, Anattā. I hope you can. You have ever heard about this? What is Tukkhaṃ? Tukkhaṃ is mean unsatisfying or unsatisfaction or suffering. Aniccaṃ is mean it's changing. Yes. Impermanence. Anattā is non-self or soullessness. Okay. So we have to consider that our mind and body or nama rupa, or another name is panchakantha, the 5 aggregates, have to be under these 3 characteristics. So after understanding this, we can see clearly that nothing is permanent, everything is changing, even our mind and body, or even ourselves as well. So if you understand like it, it means that you understand the reality of the nature of your life. That is, it's called vipassana jnana, or the knowledge of seeing things as they really are. Okay, so in summary, there are 2 types of samadhi or meditation. That is samatha meditation, samatha bhavana, and vipassana bhavana. Insight, in English it's called insight meditation. Okay, so we should always practice these 2 types of meditation together. Okay? They cannot be separated. Without samatha, there is no vipassana. Okay, so we should practice samatha and vipassana together. Okay, I hope you understand my Dhamma talk today. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very much for your sharing the Dhamma online. So I have to say goodbye for everyone who just watching this live, and end up this live stream here, and we will take rest after lunch. Then we continue another session in the afternoon. Okay, see you next time.